If you are an American living in Canada, there is a mandatory financial disclosure you must file every year. It does not affect your tax bill, it is a purely informational form, but missing it carries a penalty of up to $16,536 per year. Today, we are going to neutralize that threat. Step by step, we will file your 2025 FBAR completely for free and secure the legal proof that you are compliant. First, we need to confirm you actually need to file. You must file if you meet 3 conditions. You are a U.S. citizen or resident, you have financial accounts outside the U.S., and the combined total of all those foreign accounts exceeded $10,000 at any point during the calendar year. Before we begin the filing process, gather your Social Security number and your 2025 Canadian bank statements. You will also need to install the free version of Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. The U.S. government simply wants to know your foreign accounts exist. Failing to report them turns a 30-minute administrative task into a massive financial liability. Let's extract the necessary data. We must identify every Canadian financial account in your name. This clearly includes your everyday checking accounts and high-interest savings accounts. But the IRS does not recognize Canadian tax-free status. This catches many filers off guard. You must report all registered retirement savings plans, or RRSPs. You also have to include all tax-free savings accounts, or TFSAs. Once you have your complete list of accounts, you need the balance. You cannot simply use your December 31st balance. You need the absolute peak maximum. This chart shows how an account balance fluctuates. Scan your statements to locate the single highest peak, like this July spike. Convert that peak to US dollars by dividing by the Treasury rate of 1.369. Drop the cents and round up. If the math gives you $1,000.01, you report $1,002. Always round up, never down. Repeat this extraction process for every single Canadian financial account you hold. Gathering exact peaks and applying the correct conversion rate proves your diligence. This precision shields you from severe penalties for willful underreporting. The FBAR is filed with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, or FinCEN. It is a completely separate agency from the IRS, which is why this form is never attached to your standard tax return. Navigate to the BSA E-Filing website. Skip the online web form. Instead, download the PDF form. Downloading the PDF gives you a massive advantage. It allows you to save a master template for next year, reducing this chore to 10 minutes. Open that downloaded file exclusively using Adobe Acrobat Reader. Other PDF software will break the built-in scripts and cause errors. Start in Part 1. Give your file a name for your records. Select calendar year 2025 and enter your personal details. This includes your Social Security number and your current Canadian mailing address. Next, move to Part 2 for individual accounts and Part 3 for joint accounts to input the institution names and peak values we calculated earlier. Cautionary tone. Stop right here. The government system has incredibly rigid formatting rules for numbers. You must strip out every space and hyphen from your Canadian postal codes and account numbers. For joint accounts, each person must report the entire maximum value. Do not cut the number in half. If the account held $100,000, you report $100,000. Before you go any further, save the document. Once you sign it, the file locks permanently. Saving now secures your template for next year. Now, electronically sign the finalized copy. Navigate back to the BSA E-Filing website. Follow the prompts and upload your signed file. The automated system rejects files with formatting errors. Following exact data entry rules ensures your disclosure is accepted quietly, without triggering a manual review. The moment your upload finishes, the system will generate a final submission confirmation page. Print or screenshot this page immediately. You're looking for your BSA tracking number. This string of digits is your undeniable legal proof that you filed on time. Store this receipt right next to your unsigned template. You will need to repeat this process by April 15th next year, though there is an automatic extension to October 15th if you need it. By identifying your accounts, converting your peaks accurately, and securing your tracking number, you have eliminated a massive blind spot. Your cross-border wealth is secure for another year.